So, hello, I am Rashid. Me too, Rashid. First of all, I am going to tell about me something, what I am doing. So, I am providing drop shipping everything service, everything. Here I am showing. You can see my screen. So I am providing here all of the service about drop shipping, Shopify store creation, product research services, media buying, video ads services, SEO friendly product description services, A to Z services. I have everything planned. So just if you want to talk with me, if you want to start dropshipping business for your profitable purpose, your best way, you are finding best way try to dropshipping, then you can choice me. I am the honest person, to be honest, because I am providing actual dropshipping services. I have a lot of store still I am working, so I can prove real. So here is a lot of store, I can show you everything proper way. So if you want to work with me, so simply search on Google Recomfly, something like that, then you can simply get me. Here is all of the my strategy, how I work, how we grow, everything step. I am also working on Upwork. This is my profile, Upwork profile. You can also talk to me, work to me together here. Everything way I have, so you can work anything which one you prefer, which one you want to pick, everything I can prefer. So because I am flexible, also anything work. Here is I have a also Recomfly company. I have a very good team member. They are all of the team member are staying with me. All of the meet my president and CEO, meet me. This is my little bit brother and my mama uncle. Oh, this is a big brother. Also some portfolio here, everything included there. When you check it, when you have a time, then you can feel free to check it out. So I have a very good way to find winning dropshipping system. Then because I can provide you actual profitable store, I can provide you, it's the guarantee, because I am doing this job last lot of days. When you meet me, then you can understand what we are going to do. So I have everything planned. If you want to start Shopify dropshipping, then you simply book a call now. Then we can talk together, and then we can discuss everything proper way. So I am also flexible, also most welcome everyone. I can help you in your helping hand. So I am ready. I hope you are also ready. So thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.